Hey, e-commerce pros! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your online sales, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into how you can use Google Shopping ads to take your business to the next level. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our expert marketing tips. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about what Google Shopping ads actually are. These are those eye-catching product ads you see at the top of Google search results. They show your product image, price, and business name, giving customers all the details they need before they even click. The best part? You only pay when someone clicks on your ad, meaning you're getting interested shoppers, people ready to buy. Sounds like a win-win, right? So, why are these ads so effective? It's simple. Visual appeal. People are more likely to click on images. A picture says 1,000 words. And when it comes to e-commerce, visuals equals sales. Qualified traffic. These ads target users who are actively searching for your products, so you're connecting with shoppers ready to buy. Wide reach. Shopping ads appear not just on Google search, but also across platforms like YouTube and Gmail. More places equals more potential customers. All right, let's get you set up. Here's a quick rundown on launching your Google Shopping ads. Create a Google Merchant Center account. This is where you'll upload your product info. Set up your product feed. This is the file with all your product details, titles, prices, descriptions. Make sure it's accurate. Link to Google Ads. Sync your Merchant Center with your Google Ads account. Launch your campaign, set your budget, choose your bidding strategy, and go live. Boom! You're now ready to start showing off your products to potential buyers. But wait, before you hit go, here are a few best practices to make sure you're getting the best results. Optimize product titles and descriptions. Use keyword-rich, specific titles like women's running shoes, lightweight and breathable, instead of generic ones. Use high-quality images. No blurry or generic photos. Your images should clearly show what the product looks like. Leverage negative keywords. Don't waste clicks on irrelevant searches. For example, if you sell high-end watches, use negative keywords like cheap watches to avoid budget-draining clicks. Focus on reviews and ratings. People trust reviews. Encourage your happy customers to leave feedback. Now, if all this sounds a little overwhelming, don't worry. That's where we come in. At Socially Savvy Solutions, we specialize in crafting custom Google Shopping ads designed specifically for your industry. Whether you're in fashion, tech, home goods, or any other space, we've got the expertise to help your ads perform at their best. That's it for today's video. I hope you're feeling ready to dive into Google Shopping ads and start seeing results. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on growing your online business. And if you're ready to take your ads to the next level, contact us at Socially Savvy Solutions. We'll create ads that drive sales, tailored just for you. Link is in the description below. Got any questions about Google Shopping ads? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Until next time, keep growing those sales.